Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best desoldering wicks that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Lesnow Solder Wick Braid with Flux. Lesnow Solder Wick Braid with Flux is a practical tool suitable for labs, home, and industry welding work. It comes with one no-clean solder wick, 10 feet long and 0.1 inch in width, which is enough for your daily needs. The geometrically precise weave with copper and rosin improves the capillary effect and the redundant solder absorbing ability, increasing your efficiency. This desoldering wick can be used to correct mistakes with small boards on PCBs, remove relays and other components from printed circuit boards, resolder mechanical keyboard switches, unsoldering old wire from devices, desoldering computer parts such as a motherboard, clean alloy on SMD components, and more. Moving on at number 4, we have the Harian No Clean Solder Wick. The Harian No Clean Solder Wick is a high-quality desoldering braid with flux made from geometrically braided copper wire. It is suitable for all kinds of electronics, electrical appliances, precision instruments, and meters. The fine woven design promotes strong capillary action to suck in excess solder, making it easy to use. It comes in a 9.84 feet length, which is sufficient to meet your work requirements. At number 3, we have the NTE Electronics SW0210 No Clean Solder Wick. NTE Electronics SW0210 No Clean Solder Wick is a desoldering wick that is made from fine copper wire woven together with a no-clean flux formula added to it to increase absorption. It removes up to 4 times more solder than conventional wick and extracts solder much faster than wicks based on type R fluxes. The residue left behind is halide-free and non-conductive, so it does not have to be cleaned off the board. It is available with standard or anti-static bobbins. At number 2, we have the TOWOT Solder Wick Braid. The TOWOT Solder Wick Braid is a high-quality desoldering wick that is perfect for correcting mistakes on small PCB boards. Made of 100% copper wires with a fine braid design, this solder wick ensures fast heat conduction and promotes strong capillary action to pull in excess solder. It is easy to use and will not cause any damage to the board. Whether you need to clean small components or perform resoldering and desoldering tasks, this solder wick is suitable for labs, schools, homes, and industrial welding work. With its low residue design, it leaves minimal residues that are non-conductive and non-corrosive, saving you time from cleaning. Trust the TOWOT Solder Wick Braid for all your desoldering needs. And finally at number 1, we have the MG Chemicals Desoldering Braid No. 3 Fine Braid Super Wick. Introducing the MG Chemicals Super Wick, the ultimate solution for desoldering. This desoldering braid is made of oxide-free clean copper, ensuring optimal performance. The static-free bobbins make it easy to work with, reducing the risk of damage to sensitive components. The Super Wick uses only pure type RMA rosin, meeting the highest industry standards. Manufactured under SPC guidelines, this desoldering braid is reliable and consistent. Not only does it effectively remove solder, but it also leaves a residue that is environmentally safe. With the MG Chemicals Super Wick, you can desolder with confidence, knowing you are using a high-quality and eco-friendly product.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.